The function of the kidneys is extremely important for our entire health, as they cleanse the blood from the toxins and excess water, so we need to take proper care of them in order to avoid serious health issues. These are 8 habits we make that harm our kidneys. 1. Insufficient water intake. The insufficient water intake seriously endangers the function of the kidneys, which is to purify the organism from the metabolic waste and balance the red blood cells. This habit reduces the renal blood circulation, and poisons start to accumulate in the body. 2. Alcohol abuse. The excessive alcohol intake damages the kidneys and might lead to kidney failure since alcoholic beverages contain too many toxins that endanger the health of kidneys. 3. High salt intake. Salt can harm the kidneys, so you should limit its intake. Statistics say that 90% of the Americans eat more salt than they need, which can be the main culprit for kidney issues. 4. Not going to pee when you need to. You should go to the bathroom whenever you feel the need to pee, in order to avoid excessive unnecessary pressure on kidneys and not to impair their function. 5. Excessive coffee intake. You should drink no more than 1-2 cups of coffee daily, in order to ensure a healthy function of the kidneys. 6. Not treating colds and the flu. Ignoring the symptoms of the flu or cold and waiting for them to pass on their one puts too much strain on the kidneys and harms them. 7. Painkiller abuse. Try to relieve pain in a natural way, and avoid the common use of painkillers, as they might impair the kidney function. 8. Excessive protein intake. The consumption of high quantities of protein-rich foods harms the kidneys, as it boosts the metabolic loads. Therefore, make sure you limit the intake of protein, in order to avoid such issues. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.